So welcome back guys again to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to explain to you on how to claim the tax on our Paws. Under your N, when you click on N, we have two tax to claim here. So before you could claim this easy Paws web access, initially we've been given opportunity to go to visit the website to connect our two wallets by clicking on Chrome first, then to take you to their website, then you see where to connect your two wallets, your Tone and Solana under your name here. So today the new task to do is to add our Paws to our home screen. So let me go back to my Telegram now and go to my end. You see that we have easy Paws web access. The first task, you click on start, then you click your Chrome. So what I told is to add our Paws to our home screen. So let's see how to go about it. You click on add to home screen. Here it's direct on what to do. So what we do is go to the right upper of your phone. You see a three dots there. Click on the three dots. Then you click add to home screen. Can you see Paws there? You click add. So automatically it will add to your home screen. So after doing that, you've added to your home screen. As you can see here, it's still showing that you've not added. So for your phone to be able to detect that it's been added, for Paws app to be able to detect that, you go back to minimize your phone and go back to your Telegram. Yeah, close your Paws, close the Telegram, then go to your home screen where you've added your Paws to. So let's search for it. My Paws is here. Click it on your home screen. Take note, if you don't click it on your home screen, it will not detect that you've added to your home screen. So as you can see, it's no longer showing the red button there. So that means it has been added to our home screen automatically. So now for me to claim the points, I'll go back to my Telegram now, open my Paws. So let's wait for it to open. Then after opening the Paws, you go to your end part to claim the tax you've just done. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel, like, and as well share to others. And if I just join our channel, do not forget to subscribe, because you are going to see a lot of updates, especially on AIRDROPs and also in aspects of tech. So let me click on my end now. Can you see it's already clean? Click on claim. Automatically you've gotten your 5,000 points has increased. But if you do not click on the home screen, it will not show claim. It will still be showing start, start, and start. Now the next task is on ban Paws X. Now when this tax is being activated, everyone is going to have access to 1 million points. Now for this tax to be activated, it needs to be the time here that shows 11 hours down from now will count down to 0 hours. So in the next 11 hours, or I don't know the time you are watching this, so after 24 hours, I think the tax have been there since yesterday night or early this morning. So after the countdown of the time, which is 24 hours time, have been read, and Paws, remember Paws Twitter has been banned. So Paws are trying to make their Twitter unban. So if the Twitter account is unbanned and Paws Twitter account is reopened, then everybody will automatically have this 1 million points on Paws tax. But if it is unsuccessful, I don't know if this tax will be successful for everyone. So hopefully let's pray that Paws Twitter account is unbanned, then everyone will automatically have 1 million points after this timer has been completed. So these are just the two tasks there for now, and it's so easy to do to increase your points. So thanks so much for always trusting our channel. Thanks for watching our videos. So see you in our next video, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to others. Subscribe if you have not joined, and do not forget to share to others. In fact, if you share to others, you are assisting us. Then others too who need help regarding this, to be easier for them to get this information. So thank you. See you in our next video. Bye for now.